Okay, now I'm in an account that has a little bit, we have some really cool custom dashboards. Now this one looks like we need to work on it. We need to set these up a little bit. So to do that, you come up to manage dashboard. And what's really cool is that your AI residual basis. So let's do that. So I'm gonna go into metric here, and I'm gonna add a new metric. And I'm gonna name this customer complaint. And then we're gonna add a description so that AI knows how to pull this out. And before we categories here, I'm gonna say, based on the categories. Okay, so now every phone call, our AI is going to analyze it and say, oh, what's cool about these as well is that if there were some of these, I could just